Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
I need the exact game title and platform before giving steps. Tell me if you mean Final Fantasy X, FFX2, or a different game. Also tell me the platform such as PS2, Steam, or a remaster edition. Clarify whether you want a speedrun method, a guaranteed 100% method, or a casual farming strategy. State any restrictions like no glitches, no external trading, or playthrough number limited to 1. Prepare by listing any required items, character levels, or story progress. Tell me exact prerequisites like specific bosses defeated or area unlocked. Specify whether you allow glitches, save scumming, or external tools like save editors. Confirm if New Game Plus is available and whether you will use it. Also tell me your acceptable time investment and whether you want guaranteed drops or just high-probability farming strategies. After you confirm details, I will give a step-by-step plan tailored to your game and rules. I will list precise actions, exact locations, and required numbers like quantities or levels. Where relevant, I will include drop rates, time estimates, and optimal tactics using allowed methods. I will also explain safe save points and pacing to avoid losing progress. Tell me the details now so I can prepare an accurate, actionable walkthrough for getting dark matter.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.